Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air. We're also online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. It's Wednesday, so you know we'll have your latest gas prices. And guess what? You may not need to rush to the gas station today. I'll tell you why. Because, of course, gas prices are going down, but I'll tell you by how much later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jermaine Brown. He's here with a preview of what's coming in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. De La Vega City FC are upset about massive points deduction in the St. Catherine Major League. And the West Indies and Zimbabwe huff and puff their way to a draw. We'll tell you about all those a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. We also have weather in this newscast. And here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks so much, Andrea. We did the numbers for December and we have some data on screen. We do have parishes recording less than normal rainfall in December, but over the next 3 months, we are expecting slightly above normal rainfall and more or less normal temperatures. We'll tell you more later in the news, in the weather report and forecast.
Definitely looking forward to that. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later in the package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Would you donate a kidney to save a loved one's life? Give reasons for your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.